One car, 5 sizes, versus 7-Eleven, starting off with 50% scale. And I guess he's just a shy little guy. Next up, 75%. Nice, the first bit of damage. It can surely only get bigger from here. 100% scale. Choosing the middle door and into the bargain bin, but doesn't knock it over. A small cleanup on aisle 2, 125%, also through the middle door. Finishing the job, no doubt, and there we go, bargain bin destroyed. Finally, 150% scale takes out the remaining window and just barely enters the store. Which car was the best?